Welcome to another session of our course. So we continue with adding products. So we have these different products here like this. So what I'll do now is I'll click on add products, but we don't even have a product in mind. So let's see where we can get products. I'll go to somewhere like I say Jumia, mail.ng. I'll go to slots.ng too. Let's see what we can get there. So Jumia is an example of an e-commerce store, so that's how we're using it. So let's see. Yes. Okay. Let me go with this. Let's click on this. So this is for training purpose, please. That's why I'm using some of their contents. So if you are building your own store, you should have your own products and your description and so on. So I'm going to try to download this. This is their featured image. I download this. Save images. I'll call it mail. Yes. Feature. I'll click on this. Save as mail. Yes. Two. And this. Yes. So we have that. So now let's go and add our product. So let's see what name was given to that. Call it 3. This is quite long. I'll just say men's cutting and so on. Yeah. So it can be any products that you want to use. I'll put this as the name. Quite long. Men cutting, soft and comfortable underwear. So I will just let's remove this. So men cotton brief, men boxer brief. Let's see. That's men cotton that way. Okay, we're good like that. Next thing now, we need to add our product image. So I'll set product image. I'll click on set product image. Go to files. It is on download. Then let's click on this. This is our featured image. Good. So we set that as our featured image. Okay. Then we have product gallery. If you look at Jumia here, apart from the featured image, which is the first one, they have other images down here. We call it the product gallery. So we can also do that too with WordPress. So I'll come to add product gallery images. So I'll click on upload files. So let's upload. But let me first select this as the first of the gallery. One. Click on upload gallery again. In that product gallery section, you can add multiple images actually. So I'll click on this here. Add gallery. Then again, I'll click go to upload. Select files. Then you click on the third one. And click on add gallery. So we have this upload gallery. Now let's select category falls on that. So we created mailwares that time. I can create on that short too. Then let's do for mailwares and on that mailwares. So it can be you can choose one or multiple category for a particular product. So we've chosen category like that. Next now is the product description. So let's see what we have here. We have short and the I call it long description. So this is product short description down here. So in the short description, I cannot decide to put this full name. that they put there. So I'll come here. I'll paste this here as a short description. Then let's see what they have for the long description there. I'll scroll down here. So we have product details. So I'll copy this. Then I'll come back to yes, please, and I'll paste this here. So we have this. You can always edit it how you want. So if I highlight this now, I can say I want this to be bold. So I'll just this way for nothing like that. It's in bold. So we have that. Now it's on simple products. So if you are making there's variable products, there's affiliate product and so on by this topic. And this section of the course we are focusing on in simple products. So in simple products, you just write your prices. So you have regular price and you have sale price. So regular price can be like the previous price given it, and sale price will now be new price you want to sell it. Now let's say so it shows like as if you are running an offer or so on. So let's what they have here. Now see what they did. We had 10,000 and 50% of 5,000. So we can come here and say that, okay, we are selling at 10,000, almost zero. Can I come in that? But it's selling at 8,000. So we have that, and we'll come here and publish. We are publishing that. That is published already, so we can see that on our site. But for now, let's click on add new product. Let's add another product. I thought I've saved that. Add it. So let's click on add new product. Let's add another product. I'll go to slot.ng and try to see what we can get from their product there. So let's see, we have Beyond Apple, the phones. I'll click on this. Is simple. Or let me just use Jumia. The one does not have product categories. So let's start for phones. So we can also choose any phone or choose one to work with. So let's say Samsung Galaxy. So same way I downloaded those images, I'll download this one too. So I've downloaded the images. I'll just come here and copy this Samsung Galaxy A06 6.7. So I'll take as my name there. Paste that there. So let's add a product image. So Samsung feature. So set products image as featured image. Okay, now let's add product category, product gallery. Again, upload. Click on Samsung 2. Then again, click upload. Select files. Samsung 3. Add. Again, product gallery image. Upload. Select files. Samsung 4. Add to gallery. So we have that. So now let's look for, okay, we have phones. Okay, that's good. Let's add our products a short description. So let's add this other short description. Copy. Come here. Paste here. And let's go to our product description here. Okay, we have, wow, this long little description here. So I can copy this and put it here. So we have that. Now let's see the pricing. Okay, I can still add some things here. Specifications. Copy. Let me no, that's not it. Let me add it to a short description. Okay, we have these specifications. Okay. So you can design the text however you want it. Just like I've showed you earlier in the blog session. So let's come and add that specification here too. Okay, we have that. Okay. Okay, now we can publish. Oh, it's not added a price in yet. Cannot publish our added price. So we have 128 here and 112. Wow, that's 13% off. Okay, so come here now. They are selling. No, initial price is 128. And yeah, we'll say 115. Okay, now let's publish. Okay, let's just wait to publish. Okay, so we have that. So that's how you add products to your store. So I can just click on all products. Then you see product added here. So you can even edit it. Just click on edit and you can change anything you want to change your product. Then you update back. So if I go to my store now, let's refresh. Okay. Let's see those products we added. Okay, see Samsung Galaxy men's cotton underwear. So we have that. Okay, see we added. But now we are not seeing our product categories, so that we can select that we want to go to this particular category and so on. Okay, we are seeing here. Okay, it is here, so I can click on nails, mailwares. Okay, we have this, but we should even also be able to fix adjust this. I want to show you this up product here. Show to see it here. Let's try it out in the next video. If we can add menus that will be displaying the product categories. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.